So actually, this afternoon we have a serious topic to talk about, and I don't know about you, but I was largely ignorant of the history of criminal justice coming through, and I have a PhD in history from the University of North Carolina. I feel with all the scholarship and also the public history work that I've done that Sandra has mentioned, that I would have become more aware of the history of criminal justice. And I had some familiarity with Eastern State Penitentiary in Philadelphia, but I didn't really understand the significance as much as I have in the last 3.5, almost 4 years since I've been working with people in Ossining, New York, to develop a museum at Sing Sing Prison. And the topic is both timeless and timely. You cannot pick up a newspaper today without reading something about an issue concerning criminal justice. We were just talking at lunch about bail reform. There's the issues of sentencing, of conditions in prison, of parole, of the whole question about whether rehabilitation is possible, whether education in prison is desirable. These issues pop up all the time. And my belief is that history is a resource that helps us understand our own times and our own lives. In this case, I think the history of criminal justice illuminates many of the issues that we read about today. These issues didn't just happen overnight. Many of these issues go back to the beginnings of the U.S. Republic and even are older than that. Many of these issues, you can read the Bible and see issues of crime and punishment that come up regularly. So this is an enduring issue. The issues about justice, freedom, punishment, rehabilitation. And then in a democracy, there are fundamental questions in the U.S. about our political, social, and cultural structure and systems. So what I want to do is show you a few images about the history of Sing Sing, talk about the museum we're trying to develop, and then I hope with all the interest that I've heard already before the program, that we have a lively discussion. I don't think, from the people I've met, I don't think people are going to hold back, but I hope we can raise some questions, not only about criminal justice, but about the value of studying the history of criminal justice and presenting it in the form of a museum. Now, Sing Sing Prison, as I said, is located in Ossining, New York, and Sing Sing lends itself to a number of cliches and popularization, and we want to get beyond that. But this marker is something you see as soon as you get to the entrance to Sing Sing. The term up the river, the big house, the last mile, the house of fear, all those terms are associated with Sing Sing. But our goal is to make this the best museum about prisons and criminal justice in the country. And to do that, we want to take the topic seriously, not trivialize the topic, not sensationalize the subject, and really engage visitors in a serious way in the issues of criminal justice. This building, which I'll talk about a little bit later, but this is the heart of the museum. This cell block was built in 1825 by prisoners who came down the Hudson River from Auburn, New York, and built this extraordinary building that measures 476 feet long, about 6 cell blocks high, and about 50 feet across.